Sunday, October 5th. Just came out from my place. Okay, just to go to take a walk and go to a supermarket. Just when I came, I see this. This is Abhinandan. I think Christian. Here they have made Jesus Christ color black. This is in Lima, and this area is called SMP. SMP. Tomorrow I have to go to that bank, BBVA, okay, to put $50 for the Bolivian visa. I hope they do it over there. Lord Jesus Christ should help me. Anywhere I can get it done, but tomorrow is 6th already. I am planning to leave on 7th, if not October 7th, or I should leave on October 10th to Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu. And stand where Rajinikanth and Aishwarya Rai danced. It's a very nice scenery, and I should do a business video over there, business intro video. You speak English? So that side they are burning crackers. Anyhow, I will move from here. One of my dream is to go to Israel and walk where Jesus Christ walked 2000 years ago, where he walked. I want to walk over there. This seems to be very... I thought I will never record. But because of this I recorded. See, this is the area where I stay. It is not a very posh area, but because it is near the airport and a bus station, I took this place. Tomorrow I have to go to this bank. But in this area also, you have this kind of divider. Okay, either side there will be a road to go, and there will be a divider like this. And there a nice park is there. I know too much sound, and I've seen in most of the area. Yesterday I went to Independencia. So there also I saw either side the road will be there. They should have done like this in India. Today Bangalore traffic is a mess. Here also traffic will be a mess. But last time I recorded during the day at night time. So here today is Sunday. So let me walk there like that. I that day did it on the night time. I think it was not very clear. And I think I did not upload it. I thought let me go some milk. I go to a supermarket over here, a traditional market. I do not know whether it is opened. But I thought I'll go. So next to the road where I stay, there is like this a public garden. People, children will be playing. People will be dancing. Yeah, I mean dancing like in China you see group dancing and all. So today I do not know, it will be cold. So only I put on my sweater. And today is already 5th, 6th, 7th. I want to leave on 7th, but I do not know. I want to take off my Bolivian visa here only, instead of doing in Cusco. The ambassador over here, when I was running with him, he told you can take it here only. So I filled the online form now to pay $50. But if you go directly and land over there or go to the border and take, you have to spend $120+. And they'll ask you a lot of questions, is what I heard. Where is $120 and where is $50? So I thought better I'll do it of here only. I'll just take a walk, but today there is no group dancing. This is how Peruvian people sit around. You see all kind of activities. So I don't want to name the activities. There also they are crazy about dogs, like in Colombia. Colombia also people are crazy about dogs. Here also people are very crazy about dogs. Everywhere see they have put dresses to dogs like that. See, they made her a girl and that fellow is seeing. You speak English? You speak English? No. Okay. This is English. I would have had a conversation. So these two small fellows. So just go around. From morning I was sitting and doing some work. I had to edit something and then send messages to people in morning and give them a call. I think second day I went to the church over there. There's a small square. I think that is a dancing group. They dance with music. So this is a small area. This is not a very posh locality like Miraflores or San Miguel also. I wanted to shift to Bronco or something, but I could not get the Airbnb I wanted. And anyhow, I thought if I go by flight to Cusco, airport is nearby, and if I decide to go with a luxury bus, the North Plaza it is. Okay, so here, so this is between of that. So I walked and went that day to North Plaza. So from morning I was working and got tired. Then I thought, let me go out and get some milk to make some coffee. And I came out, I saw the church profession, Jesus Christ procession, and these are activities for children. Then I thought, let me record. This side if I go, there is one traditional market, but daytime, morning time, it will be very, very, see all old people dancing. Like in China, you will see all senior citizens. And nowhere I see any galata or anyone making any problem. Everything will be perfectly going on, though they say this is a very dangerous city. Everyone warn me, don't go here, don't go there, don't take out your mobile out of your hand. Someone will come from backside and snatch it and go away. So anyhow, I'll stop it right now, but that area is very nice. Like you see in San Miguel. Here there's something very interesting. These are nice bakeries. Nice smell of bread you'll have. Oh, people standing in a queue for what? Okay. Anyhow, just to record the life here, I'm recording. These are the buses which goes. But here it is a very bad system. You have to pay every, it will go up to $5, $6. It will go. Means 150 rupees is based on distance. Not like Medellin. Medellin, Colombia, anywhere you take one ticket, you can go unlimited distance. So this is not very neat, but yet it is a divider over here like this, like I saw in San Miguel. So I am recording for this one shopping area. I do not know whether that market will be there. Is that Herbalife? Herbalife? Huh? Massage. Where? Here? Okay. How much is a massage? How many soles? Soles.
25 soles.
How much? 25?
Media hora.
Okay. I'll come. I don't know how much you told. I am not very precise. So, this is not a posh locality. This is like in India, if I want to say with Bangalore, let me remember like this. What is that? In Bangalore, we have area like Kagdaspura. Okay. Behind C.V. Raman Nagar. I'm just naming one area. Okay. It is something like that, but Kagdaspura is horrible. There is no neatness of the traffic and all. There, I want to show you the old market, the traditional market. There's nothing over here. I'm simply recording. Okay. Full advent of Chinese product is because China has a port here, very big port, and all this common things. Anyhow, I'll go back. Cusco will be a different. It's at a height. It is at more than 3,000 meters. This is at sea level. Lima is at sea level. Okay. So I'll stop it right now in here. That old market, the traditional market. Like I compare it, better than Alsur market. You know, when you go inside Alsur, there's one market. Okay, that is nothing. So dirty from last 50 years. Okay, but here they have made it so nice. Not only this market, there was another market I went near Naughty Plaza. Okay, anyway, I'll stop it now. I'll go inside, but by evening it will be closed already. I like this kind of, but I like it with pocket. It is Zara. All branded, all fake branded products, I think. Okay, let me stop right now. It is too long video.